we'll guide you through how to make Habit Tracker in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser so you can begin the setup. When it loads, go straight to the search bar and type Notion, then press Enter. From the results that appear, click the top web that looks right, which should take you to the official site of Notion. Once the page opens, look at the left sidebar and click the plus button in the private section to add a new page. After the new page appears, input a title based on your need so the page has a clear label. When the title is set, type /data inside the page, and from the options that appear, click Table View to turn the page into a table layout. When the table shows up, go to the right side, click the three dots, and select Hide Title so the database name does not appear at the top. Now focus on the table itself. Look at the first column, which is usually named Name, and rename it based on your plan. For example, you can rename it Habits. After the first column is set, add a new property on the right and select Date so you can track when the habits are done. When the Date column is added, create another new property and select Checkbox, then rename it to match the habit you want to track. Keep adding checkbox properties one by one until all the habits you want to monitor are included in the table. Make sure each checkbox has a clear name so it is easy to understand later. Now return to the left sidebar and click New Page to add a new page outside the table. Give this page a name. For example, you can call it New Habits. You can add more pages if you need extras. These pages help organize things if you want separate spaces for different parts of your habit system. After the pages are created, go back into your table and fill out the date column so each row has the right date for daily tracking. When the dates are complete, adjust the size of the table columns by clicking and dragging the edges. Change the width until the columns fit your checkboxes neatly. This makes the layout cleaner and easier to read. Once the columns are set, look through your table again to confirm that the titles, checkboxes, and date column all look right. At this point, your habit tracker is ready to use, and you can start clicking the checkboxes each day as you complete your tasks.